Samyukta and on this channel we talk about diamonds and perfume. So in this video we are going to talk about the pink diamond. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Can you imagine 71 million for one diamond? But in reality, it's true. Imagine holding something so rare and impossibly perfect, and billionaires fight over it in a minute. This is the story of the pink star, a stone that is so extraordinary. It rewrote the record book twice. Our story begins in 1999. Inside a De Beers mine in South Africa. Amid dust, machinery, and endless rocks, a miner stumbled upon a crystal unlike they had never seen anything like this before. It was large, 132.5 carat in rough form, but its size wasn't really shown. Inside, the diamond burned with intense pink fire. Pink diamonds are already the rarest color in diamond world, accounting for less than 0.1% of all mined diamonds. But this one was different. It wasn't faint or pastel. It was rich, vivid, and alive. When the stone reached the hands of Master Qadar, they knew this would be so much challenging and rewarding for their career. For 2 years, they studied every angle, every microscopic flow, and every crystal plane. One wrong cut can destroy its value. One slip of blade could destroy millions. This is insane. But finally, after so much painstaking work, rough diamond became a 59.6 carat, fancy vivid pink, internally flawless diamond, the largest of its kind ever graded by Gemological Institute of America. It was named the Pink Star. In 2013, Sotheby's Geneva unveiled the pink diamond to the world. Under the auction light, it glowed like captured sunset. The bidding begins, strong, fast, and competitive. Within a minute, the price shattered the record, climbing past $80 million. The hammer fell at $83 million, making it most expensive gemstone ever sold in auction. But then, disaster. The winning bidder, diamond cutter Isaac Wolf, couldn't pay. The sale collapsed. Sotheby's had to take the pink star back to its own inventory, a rare and embarrassing twist in auction world. For years, the diamond sat in the vault, hidden from public eye. In April 2017, Hong Kong, the pink star re-emerges and world take notice. This time, its legend has only grown. Collector, billionaire, and royalty watch with anticipation. Bidding starts at $56 million. Within just 5 minutes, it passes $60 million, and then $65 million, and then $70 million. And finally, the hammer dropped on $71.2 million. Sold to Chow Tai Fook, Asia's largest jewelry retailers. This time the sales stick. Let's talk about why is it worth so much. First, rarity. Pink diamonds are already scarce. One of this size and vivid color is almost mythical. Second, quality. Internally flawless and fancy vivid color and the highest possible grade. Third, size. At 59.6 carat, it dwarfs most pink colored diamonds, which are usually under 1 carat. Fourth, provenance. Its dramatic auction history only adds to its legend. Pink diamond isn't just a jewel. It was a symbol of nature's artistry and human craftsmanship. Right now, it rests in the vault of Chow Tai Fook, but its story is still being written. Because with diamonds like this, they will never belong to anyone. We were just their temporary keeper. Some see $71 million as a price, others see it at a cost of owning a miracle. Would you ever like to own this diamond? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!